Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, as you can tell by the title, I'm doing a little, I don't know what to call it yet, like a get ready with me pamper routine self-care thing. I don't know what to call it yet. I'm getting ready to take engagement pictures tomorrow. Me and Bradley are going to have engagement pictures, and I'm gonna just like prepare. I went to Ulta, I got some good skincare stuff to do. I have some like exfoliator I bought, self tanner. I need to paint my toenails. I need to whiten my teeth, do a little hair mask, all that fun stuff. I'm about to shower, and then I'll do skincare, teeth whitening, self tanner, all that fun stuff. We're just gonna get right into the video. I'm really excited. I'm so excited for tomorrow, and yeah, I just want to get cutesy for the pictures because yeah. Whoa! Okay, let's do it. Okay, so I'm gonna hop in the shower right now, wash my hair, wash my body, wash my face, all that. Just get all my makeup off, and then I'm gonna do skincare and a hair mask. And yeah, I'll come back after I'm showered. So this is what I look like now and after my shower. I am all showered. I'm so clean. I exfoliated, shaved, scrubbed, dubbed, washed my hair, washed my face. I'm so excited. If you couldn't tell, I'm so excited for these pictures tomorrow. I'm so excited. It's gonna be so fun. Okay, let's put the mask on my hair. Okay, so sorry if this lighting and angle is a little weird, but I'm gonna brush my hair out, and I'm gonna apply the mask for like, it says 7 to 10 or like however long you want. I'm gonna do like 10 minutes. Hop back in the shower, rinse it. Ow, this hurts. And then it should be good for that. Make sure it's really, really good and rinsed. I'm really gonna just focus on my ends. I don't wanna go like even up here because I'm really afraid of having greasy hair. So I'm just gonna do the ends really good. Liberally, it says to apply, so that's what I'm gonna do. This is fun to watch. I don't know. I'm gonna go wash my hands, and then we're gonna let this sit for like 10 minutes, and then I'll rinse it out, and we'll get on to the other fun stuff. I will get back to you guys after my hair is nice and rinsed and soft and luscious. So yeah, and then we're gonna do skincare. Okay, I just rinsed my hair out. I'm gonna brush it out again. It feels really soft. Hopefully it looks good when it dries, and it'll like be good for tomorrow and everything, but it feels really soft. Now that I am not hopping back in the shower, I'm going to do my skincare. Okay, so hold on, this looks weird. So this is the face wash I use daily. It's the Tula, the Cult Classic Purifying Face Cleanser. It's like an everyday cleanser. It's perfect. Takes my makeup off, cleanses my face, but then once a week I go in with an exfoliator. This is the So Poreless Deep Exfoliating Blackhead Scrub. Once a week, just to really deep clean my skin, which I did tonight. So this really cleanses my skin to take off the makeup, and then this scrub to exfoliate. So that's what I did first. Now we're gonna do moisturizing and all that fun stuff. So this is what I use at nighttime. It's so amazing. I use this in the morning too, but these I specifically use at night mainly. So I'm starting out with the Tula Brightening Treatment Drops. They are good for brightening. I have, you know, some dark spots, dark under eyes, all that fun stuff. So I use this first. This is what it looks like. And I just apply that all over my face. I'm just gonna let that soak in and dry, and then I go in with moisturizer, which I have been using the Tula 24/7 Moisture Hydrating Day and Night Cream. This is what this one looks like. Such cute packaging. It's so simple but like fun. Just a cream, and once my face is dry, I go in with a little bit of that all over my face, just like so. And down my neck. And these two products alone just make my skin so soft, so smooth, and they just help overall so well. So I use these at night. I wake up with glowing, soft, no texture in my skin. Nice. And then lastly, I go in with the 24/7 Power Swipe Hydrating Day and Night Eye Balm. Love this. It's like a balm. Like this. This is this one. And I just go right in under my eyes with this. It's super easy to use and just feels really good as well. And I love it. So then I just rub this in. So not only is Tula just an amazing product overall and makes my skin feel just incredibly soft and smooth and nice and look great, Tula is a doctor-founded, clean, and effective skincare where 100% of the products are formulated with probiotic extracts and superfoods. Tula products are cruelty-free and never tested on animals. And Tula focuses on being healthy, not perfect. Tula wants to empower everyone in their community to love and to feel confident in the skin they have right now. Just forget the before and after because you are beautiful right now and always will be beautiful. And Tula does not only just have these amazing skincare products, but they now have lip products that nourish and tint your lips. I have these 3 colors: Blackberry Velvet, Strawberry Flush, and Blushing Lemonade. They're tinted lip balms. They're so nourishing and moisturizing and so cute for a cute little tint on your lips. And they're packed with amazing clean ingredients. So these are great too. All of Tula products I love. They make my skin so soft, moisturized, texture free, and just I feel so confident using Tula products. So I love them. You guys should definitely go check them out. Sorry, I dropped my lip balms on the floor, but you guys should definitely go check them out. They're my favorite right now. I just love, love, love. Makes my skin feel so great and look really great too. And you guys can get 15% off. Just go to tula.com and use code MESSLER. 15% off of your order. Definitely check it out. I'll have the products I linked down below. You guys should definitely go check those out because you can get 15% off. Definitely check it out. I love them. They make me feel great and I'm so ready for these pictures because my skin looks freaking great. So definitely check them out. Link in my description box below. Okay, so now that my hair and skin is feeling so nourished and glowing, oh my gosh, look at me, glowing, I am going to self-tan. I am at my parents' house, if you couldn't notice, and I don't have any of my self-tanner that I already have, so I bought some today at Ulta. Saint Tropez one, I don't know, little miniature one. And I'm going to use that. It's the classic one. I have no idea. I'm really bad at self-tanning, so hopefully I do a good job. And I'm not going to film because I'm naked. But here's the before of like my arms. Can you tell? I feel like on camera I look a lot less pale than I am, but before. Look. Not flashing you. Okay. Awesome. We're going to get right into self-tanning and I'll come back. See ya. Okay, that's what she looks like. Okay, looks like poop. I'm gonna tan now, so yeah. I'm tan now. Oh gosh, I put a shirt on. I literally don't think there's a difference right now very much, but hopefully there will be tomorrow. Clip my hair because these are the crazy clips I got in it. Fun. And we are going to paint my toes, but you guys can't see that. No free foot pics. Just kidding, but actually I'm not going to show my feet on camera. I'll show you guys after. Hi. Are you going to paint them for me?
Yeah.
My fiance is going to paint my toes for me. It stinks in here. Oh gosh. My feet look recording. There we go. Ta-da! Ew. No free foot pics. Sorry. Whose toes look better? Done by one and only Bradley Cantrell.
Be rad, Jizzy from the boo.
Poor guy's just trying to sleep over there and you're like, boo. My toes are now painted. Bradley did a pretty good job for never doing it before. First time. He struggled a little bit, but we got him through it. Looks pretty good. It'll do. So, yeah. I think all I have left to do is to whiten my teeth, which I'm going to do later because I don't feel like it right now. So, yeah, I'll update you guys. Okay, I literally I'm being quiet because Bradley's literally right in the next room napping, and I don't even know if he can see me because my like my camera, the little viewfinder like turns black if I put it up against something and it's like, up against the mirror, so I can't even see. I'm about to wash my face. It's the next day, by the way. My hair's nice and soft, my skin's nice and tan, don't know if you can tell, but I'm about to wash my face and brush my teeth, and then I'm gonna pop in my teeth whitening and then get ready and do my makeup. My other camera died, so now I'm on my small camera, but I have my retainer and teeth whitener, and my retainer's so bulky. Look at it. Look how bulky it is. And low-key don't fit that good, and I can't talk with it. So I'm gonna start my makeup. I'm gonna do a little bit of skit and can't even talk. I'm gonna do my makeup. I'm gonna do my base makeup off of camera because I feel like that can be kind of boring. So I'm using the brightening serum, the Tula, the one I used last night. It's the brightening treatment drops. Just a little slowly sounds cliche, but it's true. I've been missing someone like you. And then their 24/7 power swipe hydrating day and night cement balm, eye balm. And I'm like, so I cannot talk with this in my mouth because it's so like thick and I'm really used to it, so I never wear my retainer. But that's okay. Now, here is the before of my face. Gave it all to you. Before. Hard to read when I'm in my feelings. Basically, yeah, that's all the time. Something you do, it gives me healing. You make the worst things fine. Won't you stay?